How to unlink TikTok from CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now tap on the Me option from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the Settings option on the top right of your screen. Now go ahead and under the Account tab, tap on the Manage Accounts option. You will then be able to see all the accounts that you have linked CapCut with. Tap on the Unlink button beside the TikTok option, and in the confirmation pop-up, tap on the Unlink option again, and with this, your TikTok account will be unlinked from CapCut. Make sure that you have to have any one of the following accounts linked in order to unlink TikTok, as your account has to be linked to at least one of the third-party accounts. So this is how you can unlink TikTok from CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.